Hi guys, welcome back to 10-Minute Maths. Right, so this week we're going to be thinking about repeating patterns. And we're going to be using different shapes, different colours, objects. We can use our bodies, even sounds to make these patterns. And we're going to start off with a few basic ones, just using two different objects. And then we're going to move on to some more complex repeating patterns. Right, so some of the words that we're going to be using today are quite simple. We're going to use the words patterns, repeating, and next. Right, so there's going to be opportunities for you to join in today, but for your challenge at the end, you're going to need, anything. It could be different objects, could be toys, you could colour them, you could use your body to make them, but you can use absolutely anything. Right, so here we go with patterns. So Betty and Barney went exploring this week and they found this amazing castle. Look at all of those flags. Look at them. What can you tell me about the flags? What's the same about them, but also what is different? Yeah, they've all got different colours. Yes, some of them are stripy. Yeah, the stripes go up and down, side to side, the diagonal. Yeah, and one, it looks like it goes in a bit of a circle. So let's look at the patterns of these two flags. What can you tell me about this flag? What colours can you see? It's blue and white, isn't it? The pattern on this flag is special, so I'm going to copy it with some spots. So, what's the colour at the top of the flag? It's blue. So I'm going to put a blue counter just here. What colour is next to the blue? So what's underneath? What's the next one? Yeah, it's white. So I'm going to put a white counter. So this is our pattern so far. There's blue, white. What's next in the pattern on the flag? It goes blue, white, then what? Yeah, it's blue, then white, then blue, then white. So it's blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. And this has got a special name. We call it a repeating pattern because the colours repeat and they're the same again and again and again, and it keeps going. Right, let's have a look at this flag now. So, what colours can you see on this flag? Yeah, black and white. So, let's make this pattern using our spots. First, let's put black. Here we go. What colour is next? What can you see next to the black? Yeah, there's white. So let's put a white spot. What comes next? Yeah, so it goes black, white, and then it goes black, white, black, white. So black, white, black, white, black, white. So this pattern repeats. And what do we call it? We call it a, repeating pattern. Good job. You can make repeating patterns with absolutely anything. So anything you've got at home, just grab it, you can make a pattern with it. So I'm going to use Betty and Barney. So my repeating pattern is going to be Betty, Barney. If I wanted to repeat my pattern, what would come next? So what comes after Barney? Yeah, it's Betty. So it'd be Betty, Barney, Betty. What comes after Betty? Yeah, It's Barney, then Betty, then Barney. So there's a repeating pattern. Let's have another go. Right, we've got a banana and an apple. A banana and an apple. What comes next in our repeating pattern? Yeah, so look carefully. It goes banana, apple, banana, apple. Yeah, banana. Then what's next? Banana, apple, banana, apple, banana, apple. Good job. Let's have one more go. Right, the next one, I'm going to use my body. So it's going to be clap, then stomp. So we've got clap, stomp. What comes next? Clap, stomp. Yeah, clap. So clap, stomp, clap. What comes next? Stomp. Good job. Clap, stomp, clap, stomp. What's next? Clap. Good job. And then to finish, what do we need? A stomp. Yeah, so it's clap, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, stomp. You have to see you can do that with your body. Good job. Right, I've made a pattern here, but I've missed out a colour. So you've got to look and think, what colour should go in that empty circle? Is it blue, red, or green? So look carefully at the pattern and you can say it out loud if you need to. So it's green, blue, something, blue, green, blue. So what do you think needs to be in that circle? Right, let's have a look. You ready? It's green. So the pattern is green, blue, green, blue, green, blue. Did you get that one? Great. Right, let's have another one. So here's a different pattern. Can you figure out what colour should be in the missing circle? Is it blue, red, or yellow? So see if you can do this one independently. All right, say the pattern out loud if you need to. What do you think needs to be in that missing circle? Right, let's look together. So we've got red, yellow, red, yellow. I think I heard you say it. Red, and then yellow. Big thumbs up if you got that one, well done. Right, do you know, we can make patterns that have more than two things in it. So for example, we could have red, white, blue. So I'm using 3 colours in this one. And if I'm going to repeat it, I would put red, white, blue. So can you tell me what colour would come next? What comes after the blue? So it's red, white, blue. Red, white, blue. What's next? Red. Then what do we need? White. And what do we need to finish our pattern? What colour? Blue. Excellent. Right, let's try a different one now. I'm going to use a circle, triangle, triangle. And I'm going to repeat that. Circle, triangle, triangle. What would come next? Yeah, circle. Good job. And what comes after circle? What can we see? Yeah, it's a triangle. And what comes after the triangle? Yeah, it's another triangle. Good job. Right, let's finish with a tricky one to try and challenge you. Are you ready? Right, we've got banana, apple, orange, orange. And to repeat it, it's going to be banana, apple, orange, orange. Can you tell me what's the next 4 objects in our pattern? What should it be? I'm going to give you a little bit longer to think about this one. Keep saying the pattern if you're not sure. Right, you ready? Right, we've got banana, apple, orange, orange. Did you get that? Amazing if you did. Well done. Right, here's our challenge. So, you ready? I want you to create your own repeating pattern using 2 objects, colours or actions. So you can use shapes, toys, you can do some colouring, you can do claps and stomps, up to you. Can you make your pattern repeat 10 times? Oh, that'd be tricky. And then here's your greater depth challenge. So, create a repeating pattern using 3 or more objects, colours or actions. Can you use the same object more than once in your pattern? Right, have fun making all of those patterns, especially if you're using your body. You might even make up a little dance with it. I'd love to see that. Right, that's all we've got time for, guys, but make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.